All right, so when we look at these ones, these are one of our special cases when it comes to factoring. This is what we call the perfect square factoring. The reason we can see for that is we can see that the square root of 25 is in fact 5. And if we went 5 plus 5, it gets us 10, which is the number in the middle. So how we write these is we'd write this as v plus 5 and v plus 5. But because they're both the same thing, we would simplify it to get v plus 5 squared, and that's all we have to do every single time with these ones. So we go parenthesis v plus 5 and then parenthesis squared, which we can check. Okay, so doing this again, we can see we've got 49, so we want to see if 49 is a perfect square root number. If we take the square root of 49, we get 7. And we want negative 14. So if I'm looking at this, I can see that I can have 7 and 7. But if I want them to add together to be negative 14, this means that they both have to be negative. Which is fine because negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. So that works. And then negative 7 plus 7 is negative 14. So that means I can write this as v minus 7 squared as my factored out form. So I go parenthesis v minus 7. And I hit the wrong button. There we go, which we can check. All right, and doing this one last time, we can see that the square root of 16 equals 4. I can see I have positive 8, so that means I have u plus 4 parenthesis and then u plus 4, which simplifies to be u plus 4 squared. So that's what goes right here is I go parenthesis u plus 4 parenthesis squared, which we can check. And that's how you can factor a perfect square.